Mr. Moore. Alright. Shaky cam. We're going to scrapyard. Screw the junkyard. Scrapyard. Got to make a video. I made 15 bucks so far. All the scrap aluminum and copper I had. An old alternator. Yeah, how's this scale looking over here? Whoa, they moved this place around. I don't think this big pile was over here before. I haven't been here in a while. I'm still here. This guy's working. I hate when he's working. You gotta park next to him. Scoop up your truck too. Alright, go over here. Cool, smoke truck over there. And that guy just ran away with a car. Oh, we just kind of beat someone. We had a lot of damn steel. See what we get. Maybe we'll get a $30 bill out of this. Maybe not. Big old scrap metalers. They're really working over there with all that shit. They're grappling like crazy. What did I get? Steel, unprepared. Clean shreddable. Maybe it'll be worth more. Hope so. We gotta put the air on. It's freaking getting hot. 73. That's where your cars go over there though when they get junk. That's the guy I beat. He was opening the doors. Never follow these things so close the container will fall off on you. You get fucked up. No good. The guy with the tow, guy with the tow truck is gone. Got the nice little Dodge with the quick lift. He had the Escort on it. Somewhere back there then. Old BMW's back there too. A lot of good cars. So, what do we get? 15, 35. What are we gonna get for this stuff? I don't know yet. We're waiting. I found this big hunk of cast on the side of the road too, but I didn't trade it in. It might be a good parking block for the garage. I save stuff like that. The thing weighs like 40 pounds though. Well, it's 40 pounds, you know. 40 pounds, 10 cents. Let's do a white in action. No lights on. It's a little Detroit maybe. Yeah, sounds like it. Yeah, sounds like an old Detroit. No lights on it, I love that. That's to go get the pin, or hook up the air brakes rather. I don't know, I never drove a truck. Holy shit, I had 220. 220 pounds on the steel, that's crazy. Wait. 2640. Pretty good. Truck turned 19 yesterday. 3 of 94. Still kicking. Let's get the hell out of here. Probably this guy wants to get off the scales. Be nice. I told the people, wow, it's getting pretty slow today. And they said, why'd you say that? Because now it's freaking crazy and there's 18 wheelers everywhere. That's what my California brake rotors are going to turn into. Remember my YouTube video about my rotors? Yeah, I never used them. Going to China and getting turned into that. Oh well. Can't save everything. Hopefully we can make it home now without getting any flats. Because this place is messed up. There's the white. Big mother. Oh, its glory. The grappler. The grappler! Don't get the grappler! The grappler's gonna get you! Whoa, watch out, big boy. What do you got? I don't even know what the hell kind of brand it is. Got the motor out of that. No B-bodies today. Shocking. Shocking. Place closes at 5. Aluminum beds, still trying to sell those. I like the scrapyard. It's better than a junkyard. The truck is shit. The truck's probably over 300 pounds lighter now, and it feels like it. He beat me. The one thing I forgot to do is secure. It's giving me looks, but I forgot to secure that big freaking block I have in the back. So that thing's gonna be rocking and rolling. I gotta drive easy. Scrapyard. So was it 26 plus 15? What is that? I don't know. Can't do math. Playing in traffic. Oh, look, now they're fighting. Oh, beating shit out of each other. Oh, look at this. Hit him, hit him. Oh, there's more fighting over there. You see that weather gets cooler, you got people fighting. They're fighting for the hot weather and shit. Oh, they still doing anything? Nah, they ain't doing nothing. Kids are strangling each other. Yes, I'm being like most Americans. You're watching shit. Just let it go on. Chunk missing on the tire. Chevy truck. Scrapyard. I'll stop saying that. It's the end of my movie. Until I find something else more strange to videotape rather than red light.